Hello friends, welcome back again to Digital Era. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send money using your Gcash account to your Coins.Ph in just 2 easy steps. But before we get started, please don't forget to support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. First, click lang po natin tong Coins.Ph. Then, mag-login lang po tayo dito using our password. Alright. Still loading. So, as you can see here guys, I only have 2 pesos and 93 cents on my balance. So, let's go back in my Gcash account. Alright, open lang po natin yung Gcash and enter the PIN number. Okay, still loading. Okay, from here guys, click the send money. Okay, from here guys, click po natin yung view all dun sa lower part. And scroll down po natin, hanapin po natin ngayon yung Coins.Ph. Okay, scroll down. So, ayun po. Click lang po natin yung Coins.Ph. Then, enter po natin dito yung amount na gusto nating i-transfer sa coins. Then, i-fill out lang po natin dito yung information, yung account name, yung name nyo po, and then yung account number, yung phone number po na gamit ninyo. And then, once you're done po, click nyo lang po yung send money. Alright, ito na po yung confirmation na nag-send po tayo ng pera worth 95 pesos. And then, once you're done, click lang po natin yung OK button. Alright, so makaka-receive din po tayo dito ng text message. So, ayun na po, nag-pop up po dito sa taas ng aking screen. So, click lang po natin yung OK. So, as you can see here guys, ito po yung text message galing po sa Coins. Wait lang, open po natin ulit. Okay, so you have successfully added 95 pesos to your Coins wallet. You can use it to buy, load, transfer money, shop online, and more. Okay, go back po tayo sa Coins.Ph natin. Check po natin kung na-receive na po natin yung load. Okay, enter your PIN number. Okay, so yung dati ko pong balance is $2 plus nadagdagan po siya ng 95 pesos. So, naging 97 pesos and 93 cents. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang po at sana po itong video na ito ay nakatulong sa inyo. So, if you have any other questions, suggestions, recommendations regarding this video, just feel free to send me a message down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Agyaman ako.